I was born into the bridal industry, raised in my family's bridal salon. My father is one of the most sought-after bespoke bridal gown designers in Los Angeles. Being a bridal expert, I have styled thousands of brides and have answered infinite questions about bridal beauty, fashion, vendors, lifestyle, and now I'm going to introduce you to the best in the industry. I'm here to help you with all your questions for this significant milestone in your life. I've teamed up with Enzoani, one of the world's leading bridal fashion houses that can be found in over 60 countries, as their brand ambassador. I'm Arsine Edjhuryan, and this is Real Bride.
Thank you for joining us for another episode of Real Bride, brought to you by Enzoani. Today we're in Sherman Oaks, California with Elizabeth Seropian, one of LA's most sought-after bridal makeup artists. Hi.
Hello. Hi. Thank you so much for having me.
No problem. Thank you for having us at your beautiful studio.
Of course. It's my pleasure.
So today, Elizabeth is going to help us get ready for your bridal glam. Elizabeth, what kind of tips and advice do you have for our viewers?
Well, brides, be sure to drink a lot of water. I cannot express that enough. Also, get a lot of sleep. Take power naps as much as you can. Also, do not do any sort of crazy chemical peels or facials. So just try to be yourself and keep your skin as simple as possible, because the more you do, the worse it's going to be for your skin. And also, do not stress.
I've noticed a lot of people just want to try something new right before their wedding, and it's probably the worst thing they can do.
Definitely.
So the advice I have is I actually started going to my makeup artist months in advance. So I got comfortable with her by the time my wedding day rolled around. So by the time my wedding day came, I knew exactly what products I wanted to use. I was comfortable with my artist, and it just felt comfortable. I wasn't worried and I wasn't stressed out because I already knew what I was going to get.
Definitely. Honestly, your makeup artist is going to be in your face for an hour, so you kind of have to connect with each other.
I agree. What are the top 3 looks you're most known for in bridal?
The cat eye smoky, the soft smoky, and the bronzy glam.
Which one's your favorite?
My favorite is the soft smoky.
I love that one. Is that the one we're going to be doing the tutorial on?
Yes, so keep watching as I demonstrate on how to create that look.
I'm so excited. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Yeah! Thank you for watching another episode of Real Bride, brought to you by Enzoani. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below. We'll see you next time.